Hey, I'm Brian Castillo with Demolition Parts. Just want to show you our new Machete tire. It's kind of an all-terrain tire built around street and some dirt, and a lot more aggressive tread pattern. Yeah, really, the background on this tire, rod-wise, Dennis Anderson wanted something a lot more aggressive that they can ride both on the street and dirt, and came up with this guy. Available sizes will be 225, 110 psi, and sidewall colors will be black and skin. Machete will be available in February and will run you about $21. You can check out more information on Machete at demolitionparts.com. 21 bucks.